Hey guys, it's me, Emily, and welcome back to my channel. And today, Alex was so sweet enough, and she tried her hardest, and she did succeed, and she got a unicorn, and it's flyable, so it's really great, guys. And we are sharing the unicorn. If those people think I'm stealing her unicorn, no, she decided to trade it to me, and I will totally give it back to her. We're just taking turns.
Yeah, because we both equally tried super hard. Like Emily lost her unicorn, then I lost, or no, not her unicorn, her dragon. Then
Yes, I lost my
dragon. Although we did not really scam somebody, but we just gave the person something that they wanted a fly potion, and instead we gave them a ride potion. And then they were mad about it, but it wasn't my fault because.
Yeah, they should have done that if they didn't want us to have it.
And I gave her something that I didn't want, such as the ride potion. And I also gave her Rory, my pet dragon.
Yeah, she traded her dragon and a ride potion for this flyable unicorn.
Yeah, and we made Starry flyable so that we wouldn't, because I wasn't going to use my fly potion for anything else.
Yeah.
Because,
oh wait, no, it was just a regular unicorn, but then Alex had a fly potion. Yeah. So guys, we think we're gonna have a series where we spoil her, and we're gonna show her realm.
Because me and Emily are also trading off because I'm making a neon snowcat.
Yes, and I am making a neon wolf.
Yeah, so I'm making a neon snowcat because I have Chase, Charlie. I have Chase, Charlie, Chloe, and Coco, but the neon one is gonna be named Coco.
Cute.
And then her Starry Boo, and Emily agreed. She said once Starry is a preteen, she'll give it to me so that so she can focus on her wolf.
Yes, because I have one full grown, well, actually 2 full grown now.
Yeah, so all she has to do is get 2 more full grown. And then Chase, as you can see, I'm following Emily behind her, is a post-teen, so he'll be done really soon. And also, we actually like to trade people a lot, but we don't bring up Starry because she's not for trade.
Yes, Starry is not for trade, guys. We worked really hard to get her. We wish we had a lot more so that we could give them to you for a giveaway, but we are very sorry. We would like to keep this one for ourselves because we worked really hard to get it. And
if you guys think you're mad at us or anything,
we're not trying to be selfish or rude or anything.
We're not trying to be selfish or anything. We just really have wanted this unicorn.
Yeah, ever since we found out that Adopt Me was getting pets, we wanted this unicorn.
And we also wanted a dragon too, but we did actually, our dragons weren't, the unicorn is technically the best.
Yeah, the rarest pet in Adopt Me.
Or the hardest to get, if you want to put it that way. It's definitely really hard to get. But we definitely worked our butts off for this. So even if you guys did want something, just tell us because we might have an extra pet that we can just give to you. You can put your name,
your username in the comments
below. Again, also if you want to join our games, make sure to follow us and on Roblox.
My username is MSB227808.
My username is Dancer12212, all lowercase.
And most of the time,
Starry will be coming to me because I am her original owner. But Starry, at the end of the night, because today we are filming this during nighttime. But Starry will come to me, and then tomorrow Emily's got to grind for her pet, like I'm doing grinding right now while she is Starry. And we just got to stock up on some new foods and that stuff.
And I am also saving up for a rainbow stroller.
Yes, because she wants to give that to Starry. I'm gonna TP. I'm gonna teleport to you. But she did. Emily did want to get Starry a little thing for when she's babysitting Starry. Because if I'm in the game and
Yeah. Because then
And
Alex will be
we're
super
always on
mad.
FaceTime, and if anybody wants to trade, we'll ask each other for the good trade. But no, guys, sorry, we are not trading. Sorry, she is a pet that we worked hard for. Just going to say this just for everyone, so that everyone can know. Because if you join our games and you want to trade, we can trade you something that maybe we don't want, but we can't trade Sorry. Sorry.
Yeah.
She is one of like the best pets ever. And if this girl we traded was like super mad at everything, but it wasn't our fault because she's the one that she did the check mark first before I did. So it wasn't my fault completely. Like it literally didn't even matter at this point.
Yeah.
I was just waiting for you.
We just wanted to update you guys. So if you did like this video, please hit the like button. And down below, please hit the subscribe and the bell button so that you get notified every time I post.
Yes.
Bye, guys.
Wait 1 second. Hold on. We'll be giving updates on Starry after she ages up.
Yes.
But anyways, bye guys.
Bye.